So I had to cook breakfast and lunch for my daughter.
Okay. Oh, that's good.
So that's the reason why.
Daddy duties.
Yeah, that's right, daddy duty.
All right. Oh, so who will take your daughter? Oh, no. There's no school, right?
No,
So,
no, she today just to once a week she goes to her school, right?
oh, that's right.
Mm, maybe every Thursday she goes to her
Mm.
school, but
Mhm.
she is already grown up
Okay. Grown
for
up. She's 10.
for she what?
She's 10,
She's 10.
right?
She's 10.
Yeah.
What's that?
She's 10 years old. Just tell us about
Ah,
it.
12.
At 12.
Korean
Okay.
age.
Aha, but international age, that would be 10?
10 or 11. Yeah.
I see.
So that's the
Mm-mm.
reason why she can take herself. She can
Mm-mm.
take herself by herself, by her. She can
She
take
can take care of
herself.
herself.
She can
She can
take
take
care of
care
her by herself.
of herself.
Of herself. Of
Yes,
herself.
that's right. She can take
She can
care of
take of
herself.
her. She can take care of her of
Self.
herself.
Yes, that's right.
Hmm.
Uh-huh. Okay, so she just stays at home alone.
Yes.
Mm. Mm-mm. You just cook, what do you call that? Breakfast, lunch for her so that she doesn't have to do anything.
Yeah. Mm.
Okay. All right. Well, I guess that's good. I mean, if I was a kid, I would love that too. You know, it's freedom. I can do
Freedom.
whatever I want at home. Watch TV all day.
it, it, it can be spoiled.
It can make her be spoiled.
Yeah, it can make
Uh,
her be spoiled. Yes.
mm-mm. Yeah, absolutely. But it's only during these times, right? It's this is a unique
Mm,
situation right now, so
hmm
yes. All right. Well, anyway,
hmm
okay, let's continue with idioms.
Yeah, Indians.
Hmm.
We are worried.
Learn one's lesson. So we have learned one's lesson. Okay.
Above three idioms, we already finished it.
Yeah, that's right.
Ball fat
We did
on
not
your
finish
face.
the last
Okay,
one.
okay. Learn one's lesson.
Hmm.
Learn one's lesson. Hmm. Profit from experience, especially unhappy one.
Hmm. Yeah. So, have you ever heard of this idiom before? I've
Hmm.
learned my lesson.
I know very similar expression like that. Lesson learned.
Ah, lesson learned.
Mhm.
Lesson learned. Yeah, that's right. Same.
Same.
Lesson learned. Yeah.
Mm.
So you can say, okay, lesson learned. Or, yeah, I've learned my lesson. Like that.
Normally, I in the past when I took a class like
Mhm.
what they call this, it's kind of a process
Mhm.
to process to when we do some project in in our company.
Okay.
Yeah, there is a very special process.
Mhm.
In the process, uh, we have to do this kind of lesson learn
Mhm.
process. For example,
Oh.
after project,
Mhm.
uh, we have to think about that during that project there was a something wrong,
Mm-mm.
and there was a very good thing, right?
Oh, very good thing. Okay.
Yeah, so uh, that process make us to think about that which one is good one and bad one while
Mm-hmm.
we were doing the project.
Mm-mm.
So mm, by um, by what they call this, by make a presentation in front of the people
Mm-mm.
about that good thing or bad thing,
Mm-mm.
we we have to think about that good thing, and then we
Mm-hmm.
will make a we will make improvement about that one, and then
Mm-mm.
by thinking about the bad thing, we should avoid that bad thing any longer
Mm-hmm.
in the next project.
Oh, that's true.
Mhm.
Yeah. So that's lesson learned.
Yes. Is it
Okay. Yeah.
is it is it the same?
Yeah, it really is, you know.
Mm,
You for example, you committed a mistake in the past
mhm,
and yeah, you've learned your lesson.
mhm,
So you will try not to commit the same
mhm.
mistake in the
Yeah,
future.
yeah, that's right.
Yes, that's right. Okay. Uh yeah, what lesson is something that you've learned the hard way?
Hard way. What does that mean?
Yeah. So it means you suffered from
Mhm,
that,
mhm.
and that's how you learned your
Okay.
lesson.
Yeah.
Or something bad happened to you because of a decision, and yeah, you learned your lesson.
Mhm. It really depends on the project and the situation, right?
Mhm.
Uh,
So it could be related to your work or to your life.
to work. I
To work.
mean,
Okay.
our system is really big and complicated,
Mhm.
so it it can be a lot of causes or um, I mean, it has a lot of uh, why.
Why?
It has a lot of uh, cause.
Ah,
Hmm.
so a lot of whys and no answer.
Yeah, but
Mhm. Oh, gee.
um, but uh, but for example, in this case,
Mm.
yeah,
Mm.
in the past, I we were really busy to do the process. I mean, to deliver our system to our government. We didn't have
Mhm.
enough time, so I think in the organized society,
Mm.
especially in the company,
Mm.
weekly meeting is really important.
Oh, that's
But
true.
but because of having no time to do those kind of weekly meeting, we didn't
Mhm.
do that
Mm-mm. So
during.
problems just accumulated,
Yeah,
and yeah, you guys didn't
especially
have an answer.
exactly, especially
Mm.
our team consists of various types of subject, or for example, hardware engineer, software engineer, mechanical engineer, chemistry, biologist, something like that. But we have to uh, no, no, I mean our system is consists of those kind of things in one system, right? So
Mhm.
uh, we had to communicate about that problem with together, right?
Mm. Mm-mm.
And then we can we have to share our point of view to each other, right?
Mm-mm.
to figure out the problem in the near future. But
That's right.
but if we don't have this kind of weekly meeting, we
Mm.
cannot share our opinion about the problem.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Yeah. Like problems will just accumulate,
yeah.
and yeah, you guys will have a hard time solving it.
Mhm.
Okay.
So that's the reason why that
Mm.
is one of the lessons learned. I remembered.
Mm. So what about now? Do you guys have weekly meetings?
Yeah, if we have time, we try to we
Mm-mm.
do the weekly meeting if we have time, but
Mm.
we still don't have enough time to do that because
Mm.
we have a lot of business trip to take care of our system in the field.
Mm-mm. Oh.
Mhm.
So how often do you guys have weekly meetings then?
Then
In a month. How
in a
often
month,
in a month?
just two,
Just two times.
two or three. Mhm.
Okay, well not bad.
Not bad.
Yeah.
Mm,
At least you guys, yeah, still meet twice or thrice a week. So
mhm.
yeah, you're just missing 1 week. So I think yeah,
One or two. Yeah.
yeah, one or two. Yeah,
Oh,
that's right.
I should change the one or two weekly meeting on once.
But yeah, I do understand. I mean, it's really hard,
Mhm.
especially since you guys do a lot of things. You even go to a lot of places
Mhm.
to check
Yes.
systems, right? So
Mhm.
yeah, it's kind of hard to fix to have a fixed time to
Yeah.
have a meeting.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. And all right. Well, anyway, let's have here. Yeah, I'm sure this has happened to you, like maybe in the past. So, have
Bad
you
mood.
ever been
Bad mood. So many
bad
times.
mood so many times?
Bad mood.
Yeah, so have you ever been in a bad mood and what happened?
my my wife is straightforward.
Okay.
So
And you're not straightforward?
nah, no.
No.
Yeah,
Mm-mm.
actually, she just said whatever she wants,
Oh,
regardless of my state of
feeling?
my feeling.
Uh-huh.
So it hurt my heart.
And that puts you in a bad mood.
Yeah,
Is that right? Okay.
yeah.
Well, how do you cope or how do you manage?
I just don't say.
You don't say anything. Yeah, you really shouldn't. It will only you will only add fuel to the fire. So, yeah, you really should be quiet.
Yeah,
Mm-mm. Okay.
I should not be that one. Yeah.
Yeah, you should not add fuel to the fire. And
Mhm.
yeah, okay. Well, that's good. All right. Anyway, we'll have to continue with number two next meeting.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much. And yeah, talk to you on Wednesday.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Mm.